how to replay disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wished you could replace the disappearing photos and videos on Instagram, you're in the right place. So let's jump right in. First, open your Instagram app and go to the profile icon on the bottom right and look for the three horizontal lines on the top right. Tap on it and you'll see your activity. Tap on it. Now scroll all the way down and click on download your information. But before we move to the next step, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now, what you have to do is you can choose download or transfer information. After that, you'll see you can either download all available information or some of your information. I'll choose all available information, and then you can choose to download to device. And then you can choose the date range. You can choose to download information from last year, last 6 months, 3 months, and even custom it and choose the date range. Now, after you have chosen the date range, you just have to click on save. And then you can even choose the format and the media quality and also notify and put on your email for you to get the notification. And click on create files. That's it. Now you'll receive an email after the file is downloaded, and that's it. Now you can enjoy those view once messages again. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching.